The Riccar R65 Cordless Stick Vacuum is your ultimate cleaning machine. For every surface, from bare floors and rugs up to the ceiling. Designed with versatility in mind, this powerful vacuum easily adapts to different surfaces, giving you the perfect clean every time. Our smart sensor dust detection automatically adjusts the power as needed, so you can focus on what matters. Effortless cleaning using the perfect power level with different configurations and attachments. It's built for every cleaning task and every surface. Riccar SupraCyclonic filtration with dual HEPA media filters helps ensure a healthier home environment. Need more precision? Upgrade hard floor cleaning with the ultimate bare floor nozzle. Gentle but complete cleaning with LED headlights to spot and remove even the finest dust in dark corners. Tackle tough pet hair with the Pet and Upholstery Power Tool, sold separately. Perfect for keeping your furniture looking fresh. For longer cleaning sessions, the dual charging base and extra battery give you twice the cleaning time, ensuring your vacuum is always ready to go. The R65 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Powerful, versatile, and always ready for every task. Cleaning your home has never been easier. Experience the future of cleaning with the Riccar R65 Cordless Stick Vacuum.